Guys, I was actually I was having a normal night, and I heard something in my mom and dad's room. That's my dad snoring. It's watching some show. It's snoring so loud. Just wanted to tell you that. I love you guys. Might see you in another video. Might die. I love FGTV. I have an FGTV toy. Got it today. Makes funny sounds when you push it. It's just little killing. I also got Walmart. That's a demon sound like Bendy. It's creepy. It's how explosive with blues. Look when you squish it and see it comes back. Just wanted to say that. I hope you have a happy summer, kind of spring, almost fall. Yeah, a little. But see you later.